The first requirement is a Zigbee dongle or coordinator to connect to the network. Next, decide whether to use ZHA or Zigbee2MQTT and select the adapter accordingly, as both solutions have benefits and drawbacks. ZHA is a built-in, user-friendly option with straightforward setup designed for general use. Zigbee2MQTT is more independent and feature-rich, offering broader device compatibility and deeper troubleshooting capabilities for advanced users. This guide focuses on Zigbee2MQTT, so let's get started with that. I have a dongle E, but there's also a dongle P and several other dongles available. Make sure your dongle is updated before starting this guide. You can find the dongle flasher in the link below. In order to flash the USB dongle, we have to use Edge or Chrome. Plug in the dongle to the computer you use to flash it. Hit Connect. In the pop-up, select the dongle and hit Connect, then Connect again. If required, press Flash to update the firmware. Connect the USB device to your computer, then pass it through to the virtual machine. Click on Virtual Machine, Hardware, and click Add USB Device. Select Use USB Vendor, Device ID, and select the dongle. Start the virtual machine. Open your browser and log into your dashboard to begin the installation. First, we need to create a user for the Zigbee2MQTT add-on. To do this, enable Advanced Mode by clicking your username in the bottom left corner. Open Settings, then go to People, Users. Create the user account, assign a password, and enable the option Can only log in from the local network. We need to locate the USB dongle for the later configuration. Go to Settings, System, Hardware, then select System Hardware. Find TTY-ACM0. Click it and copy the ID listed under Dev Links. Store this ID for later use. Although the dongle will usually work with just TTY-ACM0, using the complete device path makes the configuration more reliable and avoids issues if the device path changes. Now we can install the Zigbee2MQTT add-on. Navigate to Settings, Add-ons, Add-on Store, search for MQTT, open the Zigbee2MQTT add-on page, and click Install. Once the add-on is installed, turn on Start on Boot and Watchdog, then press Start to launch the add-on. Head back to Settings and open Devices and Services. Find the MQTT card, click Configure, and continue through the setup. You might need to refresh the browser first with Ctrl-Shift-R. Finally, click Submit and then Finish. Next step is installing Zigbee2MQTT. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Install App to begin. Before installing Zigbee2MQTT, we need to add its repository. Click the top right 3 dots, choose Repositories, then select Add at the bottom right. Paste in the link, click Add again. Close the window and refresh your browser. Zigbee2MQTT should now be visible. Click on the production version, then choose Install to proceed. Once installed, turn on Start on Boot, Watchdog, and Show in sidebar. After that, navigate to the Configuration tab. Fill in the fields with the data provided below. Save the configuration, then go to Info and click Start. At this point, review the logs for any errors. Next, open Zigbee2MQTT from the left sidebar. In the Coordinator Adapter section, choose your dongle from the drop-down list and press Submit at the bottom right. Now it's time to pair your devices. Select Permit, Join All, Enable Pairing Mode on the device, and wait for it to appear. Then click the Rename Device to the right, type in a new name, and click Rename Device to save it. Continue repeating this process until all your devices have been added. You've now successfully set up Zigbee in Home Assistant and paired your devices. I'll be posting more Home Assistant content and tutorials in the future, so make sure to stick around for more.